Food. Spices, all kinds of spices.
Did you miss? Look at the dog. The little pit dog.
Oh, he's a pit dog.
Look like a big giant thing. What are they gonna do with that?
Look at those big ones over there they're cooking. Those three over there.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see this, Jeff.
Oh my, look at this guy. Are they going to seed him to us raw or what? Oh, there's two of them upside. This one's upside down. This one's a big giant halibut. Put your hand there so I can see how big he is. Pretty big halibut.
Oh my
God, here's another one. This is a good video.
So everyone's like extra. Well, it makes sense because
I gotta make a big video of this.
mushroom.
Oh yeah, here we go. The way back when. Yeah. I was like, oh my God. They're going to put it. Thank you. I like to see your career. Yeah,
You got to come to my house on Sunday for football.
Looks like it was great. Just there. Really wow. Pretty good. Yes. The belly blows a lot.
Look at them all. That's a halibut. That's a halibut. That's definitely kind of into it. Is that a halibut too? Oh my God.
No.
Totally. Where did you go at 3 a.m.? At 3 a.m. These are providers. These are hunters and gatherers. No, but they like
Let's hope we get a burn on video. I figure if it's strength in numbers. Did you go to Quail today? Did they sign about? No, but look. I smelled a couple getting fired, but